Hello and welcome to another Cactus Hill short. Today we're in the San Rafael Desert in south central Utah near the town of Hanksville. We're heading west on the San Rafael Road, also known as Hans Flat Road, and we're going to turn into what we're calling Mini Goblin Valley. Straight ahead, if you continue on the road, San Rafael Desert Road, you'd end up at Goblin Valley, basically. So this will give you a glimpse of what you can expect to see times 100 at Goblin Valley State Park. It's a beautiful location, unique. I highly recommend visiting it. We've been to this location several times, always enjoyed hanging out, taking a break, having some lunch. Cool spot. Well, thanks for watching. Sincerely appreciated. Have fun. Take care out there.